A warm welcome to all of you. This is K. Sai Saket, studying MTech first year from SKR College of Institute of Science and Technology. Today, as a part of assignment of Sky-Fi Lab, today I am going to describe you about analysis of tall building. In the analysis of tall building, we know how the members are to be passed. Consider this is a 23-story building, and this is a plane view, and this is a 3D view of the building. First, go to them and use extruded supports. First, we want to select the 3D view, and going to 3D view, use extruded view for the frame objects. After selecting it, go to the analyze menu and then run analysis. You can see in the left down side of the screen, the percentage of analysis is going to be displayed here. You can see the analysis is here describe the how much percentage is going to be displayed, and the green color introduce the how much percentage is going to be considered. Now again go to the design menu, go to the concrete frame design and go to the view revise preference. In the view revise preference, we want to set the design code want to be IS 456 2000. It is the Indian standard code. Then give OK. And then again go to the design menu and go to the concrete frame design and press on the start design check. Here it goes on checking all the members in the frame as well as in 3D analysis also. It will be check all the items. You can see the yellow color light introduced. It is going to check all the frames and columns and members in the building. As we know that it is a similar story building, means all the stories will not have the same specifications. Each story will be different. Here we can see there is a notification that analysis and design session differ for 706 concrete frames. Do you want to reiterate analysis and design? After completing the analysis and design check, if there is any notification from the E-tabs, it introduces that there are some number of frames are under the failure. Here they are giving that 706 concrete frames are under failure because in the starting of the design, we entered auto select beam option and auto select column option. Means in auto select beam, we entered 3 different sizes in the greater way, and the column also we entered 3 different way in greater ways. In the first attempt, it will take the starting option of the beam, means 350 into 350, and column 500 into 500. Now, if we can select S, means it will take next bigger size of the given 3 sizes. Now it will take the column size as 400 into 400 and beam size as 450 into 450. Now we can again press on the S. It automatically take the next bigger size. Now we can see again in the left side of the down, the analyzing percentage will be displayed. If there is any notification, means then our analysis is correct. Here C means there is no notifications from the E-tabs. Now again go to the design menu. Again the concrete design is going to be checked. This is again after analysis is again second time checking. You can see that yellow symbol is checking all the 23 floors, and we can see some parts of they having only slab because it is a different one. Analysis and design check, again 10 concrete frames are under failure, means now it is going to take the next third bigger size one. Again click on S. Now again you can see the analyzing percentage. Now it is completely analyzed. Hence there is no notifications. Again it is going to analyze here. This is because the beam sizes are entered 3 and column sizes we entered 3. It is going to take which frame is failed, means in that failed section it is going to take next biggest size. That is why it is displaying. After design check, we want to see all the members are passed or not. Go to the design menu and then again concrete frame design, and here we display verify all members are passed or not. Here we see notification that all concrete frames are passed the design check. Hence, if the all concrete frames are passed, means our analysis and design is correct. Okay, if you want to know the steel detailing means we can press the design and we can go to the detailing also. Now if you want to analyze the report means here there is a project report and here the summary report. If you click on it means the project report and summary report will be open. Thank you for watching this video.